Dear students, today I am going to solve exercise 4.4. It is second part of this exercise. Chapter is simple equations. Question number 2a. Question is, the teacher tells the class that highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? You read the question from NCERT book. Dear students, here I write solution of this question. Let the lowest marks in the class be x. This x is variable and we take this x is the lowest mark. Twice of this lowest mark, that is question. Twice the lowest marks, we can write it 2 multiply x, that is 2x. Add 7 to it, so 2x plus 7. According to question, 2x plus 7 is 87. Because highest mark by question, we find 2x plus 7 and 87 is written. So according to question, we write 2x plus 7 equal to 87. It is equation first. Now we need to solve and find the value of this variable x. So on transposing 7 from LHS to RHS, this positive sign 7 becomes negative and we write 2x equal to 87 minus 7 equal to 80. Hence 2x equal to 80. Now we need to separate this variable. We divide both sides by 2. Then we find 2x by 2 equal to 80 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel, it becomes 1. 1x, that means x is equal to 2 40 are 80, x equal to 40. Hence the lowest marks in the class is 40 because we take x as variable and take it as the lowest mark. So lowest marks in the class is 40. Dear students, we can check it also that LHS and RHS is equal or not. So put x equal to 40 in LHS in given equation, that is first we write above. We get 2 multiply 40 plus 7 equal to 80 plus 7 because 2x plus 7, that is equation LHS. To 2 multiply 40 plus 7 equal to 80 plus 7 equal to 87, and you find that 87 is RHS also. Hence x equal to 40 is verified. Question number B is, in an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degree. What are the base angle of the triangle? And we know that sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Dear students, you read this question from book. Here we write only solution. Let ABC an isosceles triangle whose base angle are equal, that we know earlier, and of measure x degree. It is taken by me. Let angle be x degree. Also vertex angle is 40 degree. This 40 degree vertex angle is given and we take x the base angle, and we know that two sides of isosceles triangle are equal and base angle are also equal. And also we know that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can say angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Angle A, that is vertex angle, is 40 degree, it is given, and we take B and C both are equal, that is x degree and x degree each is equal to 180 degree. Now we solve it. 40 degree plus 2x degree equal to 180 degree. It is equation, and we need, after solving it, that LHS is equal to RHS. So we remember this equation, 40 degree plus 2x degree equal to 180 degree. Now we solve it. At first we transposing 40 degree from LHS to RHS. So this positive becomes negative. So we write 2x degree is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree equal to 140 degree is equal to 2x degree equal to 140 degree. Now we need to find the value of variable. So we divide both sides by 2. for separation of this variable x. Now we write here, on dividing both sides by 2 we get 2x by 2 is equal to 140 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. It becomes 1x, that means x degree equal to 270 ja 140. Hence we can say x degree equal to 70 degree, or simply x equal to 70 degree. That is base angle. Hence base angle R of measure 70 degree. Value of LHS and RHS is equal or not, then we put x equal to 70 degree in LHS of equation. First we get LHS equal to 40 degree plus 2 multiply x, 2 multiply 70 is equal to 40 degree and 140 degree. After adding we find 180 degree, that is RHS. Hence x equal to 70 degree is verified. Dear students, in this way question number second, A and B, is completed. In next video we will discuss next question. Thank you.